What do you got, Kylie?
Sparkler.
Oh. Casey, come over here. Kylie, turn around so you don't come over up this way. There we go. Oh. Keep holding it. Whoa! Billy, want to do one?
Here, Bill.
Woo! What do you got? Can you make it go in circles? Whoa!
I think we need to dunk mine in water.
Okay, throw it down by the tank, because yours is all gone.
Mine too.
Okay, put it down by the tank. Is that fun, Billy? Woo! It says, look at it, light on fire.
Okay, drop it.
Drop it on the ground.
Yeah.
All done. Let go.
Stop.
All done.